Madgaon Dhaliata, district hospital. Is that right? Yes, you agree to that. Now tell me, the officer or the doctor, gynaec who comes here, he comes from 9 to 1 o'clock. He is there. Most of the deliveries takes place at night. Most of the deliveries takes place at night, and there is no gynaec here. So you send all of them to the district hospital. As it is, there is a lot of load. But anyway, but then why OT is not being made functional? जे तुमचे सिझेरियन चे केसेस आसा, इमर्जन्सी केसेस आसा, OT should be made functional. Bring it to the notice of the minister. Bring it to the notice of your higher ups. Wheelchairs. तुमच्याकडे wheelchairs ना सांगता. तुमचे लिफ्ट कितले दीस झाले काम करना. Wheelchairs तुमका कमी पडता. IV stands जे पळय आसा तुमचे IV stands ते तुमका सलाइन्स विलाइन्स लावपाक जाय ते सुद्धा तुमच्याकडे उणे आसा. Pediatrician wheelchairs असतले पण थोडे
see sometimes we have
IV stands कमी असतात ना. IV stands इमर्जन्सी केसेस असतात, सिरियस केसेस असतात. तुमच्याकडे ज्यांना येतात हॉस्पिटलांतल्यान परत हांगा येतात केन्ना येतात ते ताका IV stands हे प्रत्येक पेशंटा फुडे आसपाक जाय. ना उणे आसा सर. दिस इज द इन्फॉर्मेशन. I'll just tell you everything.